the hubcap. I'm just going to use a 19mm socket. Loosen these up. Take that off. Remove the lug nuts. Use a 19mm socket. Pull the wheel off. Need to remove this screw. I'm just going to spray it with some rust penetrant. It's a little rusty. I'm going to take a T30, and actually it's pretty loose, but take that screw out. Now I'm just going to take a hammer, give a tap in these areas. Just be careful of the studs. You can tap on the outer area too. Once it pops, just slide off the drum. Try not to breathe any of that air in. I need to remove these 4 bolts. These screw into the hub assembly. I'm going to use a 15mm socket. Just going to loosen them all up first. And there's 2 down here. And take those out. When I go to take this last one out, I am going to support the hub. I don't want it to fall. And this backing shield as well. Pull that out. Now this whole thing will separate. Now I need to hammer out the hub from this backing shield. So I'm just going to hold the backing shield. Just watch your toes. Take a hammer, give it a tap. Now we can support this back over here, or you can use a caliper hanger. Just hang this temporarily right there. Just make sure there's not too much tension on the brake hose. Right. I'm just going to take a wire brush and just clean up some of the rust right here. Just be careful of the speed sensor. You don't want to hit the speed sensor and break it. Should be good. Clean up some of this area if it's rusty. Now, looking at the back of the hub, this only goes on one way. If you look at the bolt holes that are further apart and the 2 that are closer together, the 2 that are closer together go to the bottom, and the 2 further apart go to the top. Just line this up. Put the hub in position. And it is a good idea to replace these bolts, but we're going to reuse ours. Get these started and get those lined up. Now I'm just going to try to tighten these down evenly. Now I'm going to torque these all to 37 foot-pounds. That's the first pass. And then if you can fit a torque angle meter in there, you're going to want to go an additional 40 degrees. If not, do the best you can. On the back of the drum, just take a wire brush, clean up some of the rust buildup. You don't want anything raising up the surface on the drum, otherwise it might cause a pulsation. All right, just take the drum. Just line up that hole with the threaded hole on the hub. Make sure that goes all the way down. Take the screw, get the screw started. And tighten it up. You don't have to tighten this too much, just snug it up. That's good. Now install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Now I'm going to torque these lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a star pattern so that it tightens the wheel down evenly. And I'll just go around again just to double check. Now I'll line the hubcap up and just take the socket and tighten these lug caps up. You don't want to use the tool for this, you just want to do it by hand.